Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, September 7 to 9, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, 3 p.m. Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we don't have any developing tropical disturbances across the Western Pacific and the Philippine Sea at this time. Still good weather across most parts of the Philippines with some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. This is the usual afternoon or evening thunderstorms here in the tropics. Without the prevailing southwest monsoon. The southwesterly or the weak habagat is only here along the westernmost part of the South China Sea or over the eastern coast of Vietnam all the way across the southern sections of China and Hainan Island. But here across the eastern sections of the Visayas and Mindanao, we have the prevailing warm easterlies bringing cloudy conditions with thunderstorms across these areas. So watch out for lightning strikes and possible flash floods when a severe thunderstorm passes over your area. Now outside of PAR, just like I said, no LPAs developing for the next couple of days. We have here a surface trough, a couple of surface trough, but no development so far based on the computer models until September 15. It's all clear, but there might be a developing LPA here to the east of northern Luzon, but only a shallow one. We are still going to observe that system in the coming days. And Haitian, once Christine, has been zooming up north and has passed very close to Busan early this morning, and it's now approaching the northeastern coastline of North Korea. It's still a typhoon classification, but it is expected to become an extratropical cyclone within the next few hours. So that's the latest from our graph set. As we look at our fast animation, there you go. This is now Haitian, rapidly moving towards the north at speed of 50 kph. So it's quite a fast moving system due to a very strong steering pattern here, or the steering high pressure ridge, which pushes the storm at high speeds towards North Korea. And here comes the Philippines with some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly across Mindanao and Eastern Visayas due to the easterlies. And as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here, this is around 10 a.m. It's all clear across the Visayas and the Luzon, including Mimaropa. But Mindanao is already affected by the easterly trade winds, which is quite strong this year because of an impending or developing La Nina. That's why the easterlies is so strong. And as we move into the afternoon, you will see the development of many localized thunderstorms across Luzon, including Metro Manila, the western sections of Camarines Sur, that's this first district, that includes Ragay, Del Caliego. So there's some thunderstorms passing over there as well, and also parts of Palawan. And here over Eastern Visayas and Mindanao, brought about by the so-called easterly surface windflow. So here's the infrared, where you can see the strongest thunderstorm forming. Okay, so these are smaller pockets, so that's why it's called isolated. Now let's move towards our typhoon tracks of all Asian agencies monitoring Haitian, and there's only a few remaining ones. It's now here along the Sea of Japan, near the coast of North Korea. It's somewhere here right now, so it's moving so fast. There's nothing to give you more. So that's it. And as we look at our 2-day rain and wind forecast, including 2-day wind and rain forecast from windy.com. This is the ECMWF model. So tomorrow 4 p.m. expect again another renewed localized thunderstorms across most parts of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So here in the Bicol region, just the western sections of Camarines Sur and Cam Norte, but there might be some patches of isolated thunderstorms across some parts of the Bicol region, so watch out for that. And on Wednesday, it's still same weather condition, normal weather with some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across parts of Luzon, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, with only a few isolated thunderstorms across the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest from our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday. And we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more tropical updates. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you for watching our weather channel.